Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and start our new math lesson, and that's going to be adding two-digit numbers. But before we go ahead and start doing that, we're going to go ahead and practice our numbers and know the place values of the numbers. You guys ready?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a card with a number, and we're going to go ahead and say its place value. Ready?
Yes.
79. 7 tens, 9 ones.
I have this.
What number?
42.
4 tens,
2.
2.
Good.
1.
Ooh, this one's gonna be tricky.
8.
8
8 1.
8
The number
ones.
is 8 and then 8 1.
Ones. Good. Here's another one.
5.
5. How much?
5
1.
5 1.
Good, Aubrey.
52.
52.
5
5 tens, 2
2
ones.
ones.
Can you guys do this one on your own? What number first? Tell me the number.
14.
Uh-huh.
1 tens, 4 1.
Good job. Together, the last one number?
34.
3 tens, 4 ones. Good. So now that we know our numbers, now we're going to get our whiteboard or clear board, and we're going to go ahead and pick two numbers. So I'm going to pick 34 and 14. Okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write 34, and right below I'm going to put 14, just like that.
14.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it here in the middle.
Okay. Like this.
Yes, and we're gonna put a T and an O. So this is gonna be our what place values?
Tens
place
place.
value.
And 1's place.
Correct. So now we're gonna go ahead and add that. We can count on. That's gonna be our first method, is counting on. So 4 on our head, and then we're gonna count 4 more. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, right? Just like that.
I'll write this out.
Not yet.
Okay.
So on the next one, we're gonna do 3
3
plus
plus
1.
one.
So 3 in our minds. 3 and 1 more is
4.
4.
48.
So what is our answer?
48.
8. Okay. So that's one way we can go ahead and do it. Another way is, so we're gonna do our ones first.
1's place.
Column. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys see that?
Yes,
Yeah.
and then,
4.
Then, you wanna
Then
do that.
right underneath I have 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I'm gonna add that now. We're gonna count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm putting 8 here. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on my tens column. So I have 3, 1, 2, 3,
And then
3, and I have
put a 1.
1 right underneath.
Now we can
So now we
it.
count that. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gives us
48 again.
48. So
So-
that's another way that we can do that.
So what I'm hearing right now is that means there's multiple ways that we could plus the 34 plus 14.
Yes, so we can do counting on, or we can do our little, we can use dots, or even we can use anything that helps us get at the
Could we
answer.
use like number rods like 10 and 20s?
Yes, we can definitely do that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hand you guys, I'm gonna give Aubrey 42 and number, you're welcome, and number 8. So we're gonna work, you're gonna work on that one, and I'm gonna give Aaron 52 and 5. So I want you guys to work on that one, and then I'm gonna pick one of you guys, and you guys are gonna show me how you did. You're gonna explain how you got your answer, okay? So right now, yes, right now you're adding, okay?
Okay, I want to do the column with the
So I'm gonna give you some time so you can work on that.
Then 1, 2.
So you're okay. Bless you.
Thank you. So, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let me know when you're done so then we can go ahead and
Okay, so this is a 10.
pick one of you guys or both of you so you guys can explain how you got your answer. Are you almost done, Aubrey?
Yeah. Anyone here? Karen.
Ready? Okay. So Aubrey, you're gonna show us. Let me actually erase mine. And you're gonna go ahead and walk me through how you got your answer. Can you show us? Can you pick up your board and show us how you did? Okay, so explain to us what did you do?
So first I did a number 1, 2, 3, 4,
Can you
5,
lift it this way so we can show,
Oh, yeah.
show everybody?
So pretty much on right here, like
Okay.
in the circle, that's an 8.
Mhm.
And then below it, this is a 2.
Okay.
So what I did, I counted all of them. So I
Okay.
counted 8 and then another 2. So 8, 9, 10. So that got me to a 10. So when I put 4 dots, I added another circle to the 4. So
Okay.
that led me with 5.
Okay.
So then, but then on my picture, when I got this, I put the 10 above my 4
Okay.
to see for everybody to know that there's an extra one that I should add
Okay.
to the 10.
So what was your answer at the end?
Well, my answer would be 50.
So you used the
Circles.
what method did you use?
Well, the method I used was circles.
So you did the circles one. Okay, Aaron, how did you get yours?
Basically, I put the 52, so I put the 5 in the tens column
Okay.
and the 2 in the ones. And since there's no tens in the number 5, so I just put 5 in the ones.
Okay.
So in the ones column, I added 5 plus 2, so that equals 7. And since there was no number in the tens on the bottom, it just stayed a 5, so it's equal 57.
So this is Aaron's a good one. So can you guys tell me? So since theirs he added, right? So let me use his as an example.
Is he supposed to use a picture or you
52. Okay, and you guys both divided it, right? You guys
Yes.
put a T in the for the tens column
I put 10 in
and an O for the ones column.
Yeah.
So my question to you is, what can we put here? Can we leave it this way? Or to help us out, can we add a 0?
Yeah.
0? Okay.
Because people might think we're probably missing a number, so they should probably know that there has to be a 0, therefore nothing else. to
Can
add.
I put, for example, a 1?
No,
Why not?
Well-
because it doesn't equal a 1. It's only 5.
Well,
Well, because remember, his number was only a what?
a
A
5.
5.
So,
Good.
So if we put a 1 in the tens, people might think that will be a 15, so they will add the 5 to the 1. But-
Okay.
So so that's why I think you should check your work every time.
Okay.
Because just in case you accidentally put a 1, because some people might think you're missing a number, so the 0 might be really helpful.
Okay, good. So let's say that you can leave it alone, right? Or we can do a 0 to help us, out so we know. So he counted on. So he got 2 in his head, or you can always go with the biggest number on your head. So 5, and then we counted on 2. So 5, 6, 7, right? So then 5 plus 0, right? So 5 plus nothing is
5.
5. So that equal to
57.
57. Good. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this one together.
And also, and for the 10, and the 5 would be in the 10s, and the 7 would be in the 1s.
Good. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do one together. I'm gonna choose, yeah, let's erase our boards. Erase your board. And we're gonna do the last one together. Okay, let me know when you guys are ready. Ready?
Yeah.
So our number is gonna be 34.
34.
So where is my 3 gonna go? In my tens column or in my ones column?
The 10.
Tens column. So let's put a T for 10 to help us out and remember. And then our 4 is gonna go in our
Ones.
One.
ones column. Good. Our next number is gonna be 14. So what are we doing? Are we adding or subtracting?
We are adding.
Adding. Good.
So
So you guys can go ahead and choose whatever method works best for you. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the count on method. Okay? So let's go ahead. Aubrey, you do whatever method works for you, and then Aaron's gonna do what method works for him from the ones we talked about. So 4, 7, 8.
Can I show my work after?
Yeah.
Like I explain what I did.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 plus 1. Okay.
That was 1.
You guys are ready?
Yeah.
Aubrey, we're waiting on you. Oh, you're doing the.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 10.
We're using kind of like a. What are you using, Aubrey? What is that called?
The the 10.
Okay.
Oh, the 10 rods.
The 10 rods. Good.
So 4 plus 3 equals 8,
Uh huh.
and then 4. 40.
Okay, so let's look at our work. Did we all get 48?
Yes.
Good. So you guys are getting the idea of it, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to keep practicing so we can get better. We can also work with higher numbers as we get better on this. So good job, guys.
Okay.